Hello, this is Deanne from Small But Kind and Mighty. Have you ever wondered if you can crochet socks using sock yarn? That's right, crochet a sock that's not a slipper but a real sock you can wear with shoes. Well, wonder no more. In this series of videos, I will demonstrate the tricky parts of my crochet sock pattern. It's a toe-up design with an afterthought heel, so as you may expect in the first video, we're going to start with the toe. First step is to click on the link in the description box and download a copy of my crochet toe-up sock pattern. And once you've done that, remember to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the subsequent crochet sock videos. So if you want to crochet a handmade sock for Socktober or any other time of the year, then by the end of this video you will be able to make a start by crocheting the toe piece of your sock. I've recently taught 3 crocheters how to do this, and I'm doing a workshop with a few more this weekend. So with the pattern and this video series, there's no reason why you can't make your own socks. Now, you'll notice from the pattern that it says to use a sock yarn and a D hook. I'm obviously using a much larger hook and heavier weight yarn. I think this is Aran weight yarn. But that's so that you can more easily see the stitches and what I'm doing. But I am following the first few rounds of the sock pattern. Right, so I've made a slip knot, chained 11. I highly recommend working into the back bump of your chain stitches, as we will be working into both the top and bottom of the foundation chain, and working into the back bump of your chain stitches will make life easier for you. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet twice. Then single crochet in each of the next 8 chain stitches. And when you get to the last chain stitch, single crochet twice again. You will now have 12 single crochets in the top of your foundation chain. We are now going to rotate the fabric so that we can work along the bottom of the foundation chain. Rotate the fabric and single crochet twice in the first stitch of the bottom of your foundation chain. Single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches along the bottom of the foundation chain, and single crochet twice in the last. You've now completed round 1, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of this first round. 12 stitches at the top of the foundation chain and 12 at the bottom. Working on both sides of the foundation chain is also a common technique for creating oval pieces of amigurumi. So have you used this technique before, or is it new to you? Comment below and let me know. After completing round 1, we are going to start working the increase rounds to make the toe piece big enough. At the start of round 2, I single crochet in the first single crochet from round 1 and insert a locking stitch marker. If you follow the pattern, what you will realize we're doing is placing stitch markers on both sides of the toe piece and working an increase before and after each stitch marker. An increase is 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. I placed my first stitch marker at the beginning of round 2. When I reach the middle of the toe piece, I do an increase, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch and place my second marker, and then an increase in the next stitch. At the end of round 2, I do my last increase of the round, remove the stitch marker that I had placed at the beginning of round 2, and do a single crochet in that stitch. For now, I hold off on replacing the stitch marker. I do an increase in the next stitch and then single crochet in each stitch for a few stitches to start the round. I then fold the sock in half with the foundation chain at the bottom tip of the sock, replacing the stitch marker in the center stitch of the fold. I'll explain more about what's going on here in the next video, but for now just follow the pattern instructions. Now you know how to start your sock and make the toe piece. In the next video, I will show you how to start and make the foot, how to make a heel break, and then continue making the leg of the sock. If you're excited to make a crochet sock with me, then please let me know by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing the video with your fellow crocheters. And please remember to comment below if you find this video helpful. Take care and thanks for watching.